Nestled in the lap of the Himalayas lies a city that is a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical significance. This city, Kashipur, is a hidden gem in the state of Uttarakhand, India. With its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage, Kashipur offers a unique experience for every traveler. Kashipur is a vibrant city in the state of Uttarakhand, India. It is a place where the hustle and bustle of city life meets the tranquility of nature. The city is surrounded by the majestic Himalayan mountains, providing a stunning backdrop to its urban landscape. The streets of Kashipur are always bustling with activity, yet there is a sense of calm that pervades the city. It's a place where nature's beauty unfolds in its full glory. The lush green landscapes of Kashipur are a sight to behold. The city is dotted with numerous parks and gardens, offering a refreshing escape from the concrete jungle. The scenic nature views in Kashipur are truly mesmerizing, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Kashipur is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The city is home to several hidden scenic spots that are off the beaten path. These tranquil and untouched natural areas offer a perfect retreat for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you are looking for a quiet place to relax or an adventurous spot to explore, Kashipur has something for everyone. The city is known for its lush greenery, ancient temples, and serene atmosphere. The ancient temples in Kashipur are surrounded by greenery, creating a serene and peaceful environment. These historical landmarks are a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage and offer a glimpse into its glorious past. It's a perfect destination for nature lovers, history buffs, and anyone seeking a peaceful retreat. The city offers a wide range of activities for tourists, from exploring its natural beauty to delving into its rich history. Whether you are looking to relax and unwind or embark on an adventure, Kashipur has something to offer. Kashipur, also known as Govishun, has a rich historical past. The city is home to several historical sites and ancient architecture that tell the story of its glorious past. These historical landmarks are a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage and offer a glimpse into its glorious past. It gets its name from the legendary King Kashyapa, who is believed to have founded the city. The city is named after King Kashyapa, a legendary figure in Indian history. According to legend, King Kashyapa founded the city and played a significant role in its development. The city is home to several statues and monuments dedicated to King Kashyapa, serving as a reminder of its rich historical past. The city has witnessed the rise and fall of many dynasties, leaving behind a trail of historical monuments and cultural heritage. The ruins of ancient dynasties can be found throughout the city, offering a glimpse into its rich and varied history. These historical monuments are a testament to the city's enduring legacy and serve as a reminder of its glorious past. Today, Kashipur is a harmonious blend of old-world charm and modern amenities. The city seamlessly blends its rich historical past with modern conveniences, creating a unique and vibrant atmosphere. The blend of old and new architecture in Kashipur is truly remarkable, offering a unique experience for visitors. The city is easily accessible by road and rail, making it a convenient destination for travelers. Kashipur is well connected to major cities in India, making it an easy and convenient destination for travelers. The city's railway station and well-maintained roads make it easy to reach, ensuring a hassle-free travel experience. The nearest airport is Pantnagar Airport, which is well connected to major cities in India. For those traveling by air, the nearest airport is Pantnagar Airport, which is well connected to major cities in India. The airport offers regular flights to and from major cities, making it easy for travelers to reach Kashipur. Whether you are looking for adventure, relaxation, or a spiritual awakening, Kashipur has something to offer everyone. The city offers a wide range of activities for tourists, from adventure sports to relaxing in its serene surroundings. Whether you are looking for an adrenaline rush or a peaceful retreat, Kashipur has something to offer. Kashipur has something to offer everyone. The city is home to a diverse range of attractions, from historical landmarks to natural beauty. Whether you are a history buff, a nature lover, or an adventure seeker, Kashipur has something to offer. Come explore this enchanting city and experience the magic of the Himalayas. Kashipur is a city that offers a unique and unforgettable experience for every traveler. Come explore this enchanting city and experience the magic of the Himalayas for yourself. Kashipur is blessed with abundant natural beauty, characterized by its lush green forests and rolling hills. This region is a haven for those who seek solace in nature, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The forests and hills here are not just a visual treat, but also a sanctuary for a myriad of wildlife species, making it a biodiversity hotspot. The city is surrounded by dense sal forests, which are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. These forests are teeming with life, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. The sal trees, with their towering presence, create a unique ecosystem that supports a variety of plant and animal species. The undergrowth is rich with shrubs, herbs, and climbers, providing food and shelter to countless creatures. These forests are a paradise for nature enthusiasts and bird watchers. The dense foliage and the variety of trees attract numerous bird species, making it a birdwatcher's dream come true. From the melodious calls of the cuckoo to the vibrant plumage of the kingfisher, the forests are alive with the sights and sounds of avian life. Birdwatchers can spend hours here spotting and identifying different species, each more fascinating than the last. They offer a chance to immerse oneself in the tranquility of nature. Walking through these forests, one can feel a deep sense of peace and connection with the natural world. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the gentle breeze create a symphony of sounds that soothe the soul. It's a perfect place for meditation, reflection, or simply unwinding from the stresses of daily life. The gentle slopes of the Shivalik Hills form a picturesque backdrop for the city. These hills, with their undulating terrain and lush greenery, add to the scenic beauty of Kashipur. They are not just a visual delight, but also play a significant role in the local climate and water cycle. The hills capture rainfall, which feeds into the rivers and streams, sustaining the forests and the wildlife. These hills are ideal for hiking and trekking, providing breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. Trails of varying difficulty levels wind through the hills, offering something for everyone, from casual walkers to seasoned trekkers. As you ascend, the panoramic views of the valleys and forests below are simply awe-inspiring. The higher you go, the more expansive the vistas, making every step worth the effort. The air is fresh and invigorating, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. Breathing in this pure, unpolluted air is a rejuvenating experience. The fragrance of the forest, with its mix of earthy and floral notes, is a reminder of the pristine environment. It's a stark contrast to the polluted air of urban areas, making it a perfect retreat for those looking to detox and refresh their senses. Adventure seekers can embark on thrilling treks through the forests and hills, discovering hidden waterfalls and scenic trails. These treks offer a sense of adventure and exploration as you navigate through dense forests, cross streams, and climb rocky paths. The reward at the end of the trek is often a stunning waterfall or a breathtaking viewpoint, making the journey truly memorable. The forests around Kashipur are not just a treat for the eyes, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. They act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, thus helping to combat climate change. The forests also prevent soil erosion, regulate water cycles, and provide habitat for countless species, making them indispensable to the environment. They serve as a natural habitat for a wide variety of animal and plant species. From the elusive leopard to the common deer, the forests are teeming with wildlife. The rich biodiversity is a testament to the health of the ecosystem. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these habitats and ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy and benefit from them. The dense canopy of trees provides shade and helps regulate the temperature, creating a pleasant climate. This natural cooling effect makes the forests a comfortable place to visit even during the hot summer months. The shade also protects the forest floor, allowing a variety of plants to thrive. The interplay of light and shadow creates a magical atmosphere, making every visit to the forest a unique experience. Flowing through the heart of Kashipur, the Kosi River is a lifeline for the city and its surrounding areas. This perennial river originates from the majestic Himalayas and meanders its way through the plains, nourishing the land and supporting a rich ecosystem. The river is revered by the locals and holds immense cultural and religious significance. The banks of the Kosi River are dotted with temples and ghats where people come to offer prayers and perform rituals. The river is particularly vibrant during festivals like Chhat Puja, when devotees gather to offer prayers to the sun god. The sight of hundreds of earthen lamps floating on the river at night is a sight to behold and cherish. The Kosi River also provides opportunities for adventure activities such as river rafting and fishing. The river's gentle currents make it suitable for beginners, while experienced rafters can challenge themselves in the upper reaches. The river is home to various fish species, making it a popular spot for angling enthusiasts. Just a short drive from Kashipur lies the world-renowned Jim Corbett National Park, a sanctuary that has captured the hearts of nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts from around the globe. This park is not just a destination, it's an experience that immerses you in the raw beauty of nature. Established in 1936 as Haley National Park, it was the first national park in India and has since become a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. The park was later renamed in honor of Jim Corbett, a legendary hunter turned conservationist who played a pivotal role in its establishment. His efforts were instrumental in creating a safe haven for the diverse wildlife that calls this park home. Jim Corbett National Park is not only India's oldest national park, but also a shining example of Project Tiger's success. This initiative, launched in 1973, aimed to protect the Bengal tiger and its habitat. The park's thriving tiger population is a testament to the effectiveness of these conservation efforts. The park spans over 500 square kilometers, offering a vast and varied landscape that includes hills, riverine belts, marshy depressions, grasslands, and a large lake. Jim Corbett, the man after whom the park is named, was a renowned hunter who turned into a passionate conservationist. His transformation from a hunter of man-eating tigers to a protector of wildlife is a story of redemption and dedication. His books and stories about his adventures in the Indian jungles have inspired many to appreciate and protect wildlife. Spread across an area of over 500 square kilometers, Jim Corbett National Park is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. The park's rich biodiversity includes over 600 species of birds, 50 species of mammals, and 25 species of reptiles. The varied terrain and climate create a perfect habitat for a wide array of wildlife. The park's landscape is a mosaic of dense forests, open grasslands, and riverine belts, each supporting different types of vegetation and wildlife. The sal forests, which dominate the landscape, are interspersed with rohini, haldu, and mango trees, creating a lush green canopy that is a sight to behold. Jim Corbett National Park is famous for its healthy population of Bengal tigers. These majestic creatures are often spotted prowling through the grasslands or resting in the shade of the dense forest. The thrill of spotting a tiger in its natural habitat is an experience that draws visitors from all over the world. Along with tigers, the park is also home to other iconic species like elephants. These gentle giants can often be seen in large herds moving gracefully through the forest. Watching a herd of elephants with their young ones in tow is a mesmerizing sight that leaves a lasting impression. The park's diverse wildlife also includes leopards, sloth bears, and several species of deer. Leopards, with their elusive nature, are a rare but thrilling sight. Sloth bears, known for their shaggy coats and distinctive white markings, can be seen foraging in the forest. The park's grasslands are often dotted with groups of deer grazing peacefully. The park also boasts a rich variety of birdlife, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. From the vibrant plumage of the Indian pitter to the majestic flight of the crested serpent eagle, the park is a birdwatcher's dream come true. The early morning and late afternoon are the best times to spot these feathered beauties. Birdwatchers can often be seen with their binoculars and cameras, capturing the beauty of the park's avian residents. The park's diverse habitats support a wide range of bird species, each with its unique calls and behaviors. Whether you're an avid birder or a casual observer, the park offers endless opportunities to enjoy its bird life. Visitors can explore the park through jeep safaris and elephant rides, accompanied by experienced guides. These guided tours offer a safe and informative way to experience the park's wildlife and landscapes. The guides, with their extensive knowledge of the park and its inhabitants, enhance the experience with their insights and stories. The jeep safaris take you deep into the heart of the park, where you can witness the wildlife in their natural habitat. The open jeeps provide an unobstructed view, perfect for photography and wildlife spotting. Elephant rides offer a unique perspective, allowing you to traverse areas that are inaccessible by jeep. The park offers a unique opportunity to witness wildlife in their natural habitat. Whether you're watching a tiger on the prowl, a herd of elephants moving through the forest, or a colorful bird perched on a branch, the experience is both thrilling and humbling. The park's commitment to conservation ensures that these magnificent creatures can continue to thrive in their natural environment. The best time to visit Jim Corbett National Park is from November to June, when the weather is pleasant and the animals are most active. During these months, the park's lush green landscape is at its most beautiful, and the chances of spotting wildlife are higher. The cooler temperatures make it an ideal time for safaris and outdoor activities. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, Jim Corbett National Park offers an unforgettable experience. The park's rich biodiversity, stunning landscapes, and commitment to conservation make it a must-visit destination. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore the wild beauty of Jim Corbett National Park.